Now you had the pleasure of Andrew Ryan's company. He's the one who built this place, and he's the one who ran it into the ground. Nobody knows exactly what happened. Maybe he went mad. Maybe the power got to him. Maybe he just decided he didn't like people. Whichever way you slice it, good men died. My family's in a submarine hidden in the foundation of Fontaine Fisheries. I'll meet you there.
Welcome to the circus of... Feel your cravings at the circus of value. Welcome to the circus of... Feel your cravings at the circus of value.
Days go by like wind.
Give her to me! Show me a broken face, metal piece of shit!
A rapture reminder. And y'all. The temptation. great purpose.
We
Breaking it.
Huh?
Stay on the
Hey,
level.
help me, Madonna. Behind this sinner. Mr. Coswell?
Welcome to the circus. Feel your cravings and the circus of value.
knocking back pints up at the Fighting McDonald's. But if you prefer to play the mule, we'll treat you like a mule. Give him a taste, Patrick. What's that? Change of heart, Timmy? Timmy! Ready to talk now?
Go on. Go on. Whatever Ryan thinks he can do to me, Fontaine can do double!
You can blame a lady who craves variety. And one day the gentlemen stopped calling.
Atlas radioed on ahead. Says you were looking for an invite to the fisheries. Nuts, I say. But if your head's up to the Warp Master's office and find old Peach a research camera, maybe I could manage an invite. What was that? My friend, you are fucked. find something to keep you alive. Now, go get that camera, and then snapshots of those that crawls on the ceiling. Then I'll let you into the fisheries. Just remember, sonny friend, I smell an ounce of Fontaine on you, and I'll have you in a box. Atlas gives you the vouch, but I ain't turning my eye just on his say-so.
Grown man jumping at ghosts. Fontaine's dead, and everybody knows it. In the ground for months, and half the place still jumping at his shadow. Christ, even Ryan. You never mind all that. We got work to do. Seems like old Peach knows where to find a research camera. He seems a decent enough source. No doubt he'll wait until after you've done his errands to stick a shiv in your belly.
It's Mama.
One of these smugglers having a game of catching on the docks today. This surprised me because his hands were crippled during the war. He was unloading the barge the other day when he was bitten from the sea slug. He woke up the next morning and he found he could move his fingers for the first time in years. I asked him if he still had that sea slug. As luck would have it, he did.
Fellow is somebody to watch. Once he was just a menace, to be convicted and hung. But he always manages to be where the evidence isn't. He's the most dangerous type of hoodlum, the kind with vision.
Welcome to the Circus of Value! Feel your cravings at the Circus of Value!
One you'd see topside. According to this magazine article I scrounged up, it can also analyze genetic information, parse biological structures, lots of other $5 words.
Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong.
Now give me some snaps on those spider slices, and don't come back down here till you've got my research.
We thought we could hide from the light down here. Oh, come on then. I'm just lonely. I'm lonely.
You think you can trick me?
If things weren't bad enough, it seems that even our water systems...
You have the research camera? Good. Guess it's time to get to work for old Peachy. Take the man's pictures, and let's get the hell out of this place.
And the great chain moves us all.
Place monster, I can see you! We tricked you, monster.
Get me back like that!
The death penalty and rapture. Council's in an uproar. Riots in the streets, they say. But this is the time for leadership. Action must be taken against the smugglers. Surface exposes rapture to the very parasites we fled from. Stretched necks are a small price to pay for our ideals.
Hey!
A rapture reminder. Wanting an item from the surface is forgivable. Buying or smuggling one into rapture is not. Stay on the level and out.
This flesh.
Lord!
Are you ever bringing old Peach them snappies, or are you just sightseeing?
Diane, my dear, I'm sorry, but I'll be late again tonight. Rosenberg is demanding to speak about this Fontaine business. I'm trying to build a proper financial market, and this idiot keeps going on about this genetic modification, that. I'll go spend an hour pretending to pay attention to the poor fellow. Be home as soon as I can. Andre.
This is the wages of sin!
I know.
Masha today. We barely recognize her. That's her, Sam said. You're crazy, I told him. That thing? That is our Masha? But he was right. She was drawing blood out of a corpse by Fontaine Fisheries. And then when she was done, she walked off hand in hand with one of those awful golems. Masha!
Diane, my dear, I'm sorry, but I'll be late again tonight. Rosenberg is demanding to speak about this Fontaine business. I'm trying to build a proper financial market. This idiot keeps going on about this, genetic modification, that. I'll go spend an hour pretending to pay attention to the poor fellow and be home as soon as I can.
Here to visit the scum of the earth?